you're gonna hurt yourself.
We're going on the back. Don't touch me.
There you go. Put each other on.
Got a grip. Really?
Yes.
So you guys have better stuff to do? Don't touch me. I'll call the cops on you, you idiot.
I am a cop.
Yeah,
You can let go. I got both.
use the power, you idiot.
Right now, you're my responsibility.
But I think you're gross.
I'm okay with that.
At 9:02 p.m., Belmar police officers were called to the scene. The subject was Jennifer Vazquez, a 24-year-old woman. She had been refused entry into a bar, but instead of leaving, she decided to stay and confront the situation.
Should be nothing back
I'm not
there.
getting in unless I'm wearing.
You have to get in, hon. Stop. 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 Right? You're just gonna get another charge.
I don't care.
It's not worth
Let's
it.
spray me. I don't
It's
care.
not worth it.
You fucking idiot.
If you get her feet back in on the side,
You fucking idiot. Please don't get off me. I'm getting up.
okay, well, they're gonna get off of you when we get to headquarters, okay? 13838. You cannot right now. You're under arrest. 51 Belmar.
Do not take me to the police station. You idiots. But you have better stuff to do, you dumb.
So just relax.
Can I call my friends at least?
Not right now.
She started using foul language toward the police and was trying to find a way to get out of that metal frame.
Hey, Jen, just breathe. In through your nose and out through your mouth. You can't. You can't right now.
I need to get out of the car now!
You can't right now. You're under arrest. Would you like me to open the window for you? You're fine. Just in. Jen, in through your nose and out of your mouth.
Let me out! Can I please call my friends?
Not right now. Okay.
Fucking idiot!
Alright, well, this is all recorded, just so you know. Okay.
Fucking idiot! I don't give a fuck! You dumb fuck!
Okay.
I'm getting out now. Shut the fuck up, you dumb fuck!
Okay. I'm gonna get you out in literally 30 seconds.
Can I please call my friends?
Not right now.
Yeah, I don't give a fuck about you, idiot.
Alright.
Fuck up.
I'm just trying to be pleasant with you.
How am I supposed to then?
Okay. Yep. You can later,
When delivered?
when you're released. It's right up this way. Well, unfortunately, I have
I don't want you to touch me.
to. Too bad. Come in here.
I don't want you to touch me.
Then walk on your own. I just have to get your purse off, okay?
I don't care. It's hooked onto me, idiot. I actually need to go home now.
Okay, well,
and
you
I'm
need-
anxiety attack, and I want the lawyers here.
Why don't you take a seat and take a breath? Okay.
Can I go home?
Nope.
Lawyers now!
You're not going
Don't
home.
touch
Have
me.
a seat. Then have a seat.
I don't
And
care.
act right.
No.
Okay. You can just go right in the cell.
No.
What's her name? Stop. You're going to hurt yourself. Just make sure there's nothing in her pockets. Thank you.
No one
Nothing
touched
there.
me.
Don't start.
I gotta go
Don't.
home.
You got to pop your shoes off here.
I don't care.
Stop on my foot one more time.
It's so stupid that I'm here.
Just kick your shoes off,
No,
please.
I want to go home. I'm not. Can you get my shoes off, you idiot? I'm not moving.
Everything good?
Okay. We can help you, but I would much rather you walk on your own.
All right, Jen. We're gonna pick you up. All right.
Thank you.
I
All
can't.
right, come on, Jen.
Hold on, I gotta get this thing out of my pocket.
Let's go to the cell.
I wasn't doing anything wrong, you idiots!
Next.
I wasn't. That's the thing. Like, I literally wasn't.
All right, great.
Stand up, nice and easy, okay?
No.
I don't want her bracelet to break.
I want these off, and I want to go home.
Okay, well, stomping on my foot and kicking your legs around is not going to change that. You want to go home? Then stop. And just listen to what we say.
say.
Stop.
You fucking idiot.
Let her kick you.
I'm not doing it. I'm not going.
You know what? Stop.
Take these off of me now.
You got her legs out?
You need to stop, okay?
You fucking idiots!
Well, now you got her attention, so you gotta...
No, you fucking idiots! Let me go home!
Stop kicking.
So you guys have better stuff to do, you idiots!
Well,
Go arrest somebody that's doing something bad! So you have anything better to do, you dumb f***s! Ow! Ah!
Stop.
Sam, if you walk.
Lower! You guys are hurting me!
Yep.
You guys are hurting me! Ow! 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 You f***ing dumb f***s!
Sam, let me get those off you.
No!
Let me just get the cuffs off. Stay right there. Stay right there.
I'm gonna actually, you guys have a big lawsuit coming, you fucking guys.
Okie dokie.
Fucking
don't fucking do it.
Okay.
Don't fucking do it.
Well,
You're
now you
fucking
definitely catching some charges.
You pigs.
Back up.
Oh, you wanna punch me? Oh, you wanna punch me?
Get the f*** in the cell.
You crazy? Punch me like that? You wanna punch me? You fucking dead? Hey, scrub hair! I'm gonna ask you to calm down.
I didn't. I never called your dad. I don't even know how they found out, but I spoke to Mom on the phone. She said your dad's on the way. As long as you're fine, I'll release you to him, okay?
Cool. And no water's allowed?
We don't have any other water right now.
That's crazy.
Okay, well, this isn't the Hilton.
Don't care.
Okay.
Didn't ask.
Would you like to keep acting like this and stay till 6 in the morning, or be released when your father gets here? I'll look for a cup here in a second, but I have paperwork to do everything else, okay?
Yeah, that's fair.
So as soon as
I'm
you're-
parched and I need water now. Yeah.
All right.
Okay, can I have a cup of water?
If I can find a cup, absolutely.
Cool.
Okay?
Oh, what? They've been here for like 2 hours?
Nearly 2 hours later, an older man, Vazquez's father, arrived at the station. He was informed that his daughter would be facing multiple charges, including disorderly conduct, obstruction, assault, and resisting an officer.
It might be a while. She still ain't acting right. So, she still wants to demand water like this is the Hilton. She's still screaming at us, calling us names. So, I mean, I'm not really in the practice of getting disrespected and then just letting somebody go early. So, I know you came down here. I'll give her a shot for another 20 minutes or so. And then if she's fine, we'll get her out to you, okay?
What did she do, if you don't mind me asking?
I mean, I can't really tell you. She's an adult. She's 24, but she's got some charges. So there'll be a court date. I'll make sure she has all the paperwork when she leaves. But, yeah, her conduct has not been wonderful. So,
Does she know I'm here?
yeah, no, I let her know.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, she's been accosting us over water, which I gave her a cup of water before, and she just wants more and more, and tell my dad and this and that, and, okay. Unfortunately,
Can I see her?
no, not right now. Like, we can't let civilians back in there. I apologize. All right. No, I mean, I get it. She's safe. She's in the cell. She's not, harmed or anything like that. But her actions right now are completely just ridiculous. So.
Jennifer Vazquez was released. Her belongings were returned, and she was notified of her upcoming court date.
Charges, there's noise, interference with business, defiant trespass, assault, and resisting. The court date, I'll circle on here for you.
Assaulting a police officer is considered an extremely serious offense, as it directly threatens the safety of law enforcement personnel. Penalties can include fines and 1 to 5 years in prison. If the assault causes serious injury or endangers life, the sentence can increase to 10 to 20 years.
Okay, have a nice day. Have a good one, sir.
Getting off at 384.
It all began just a few hours earlier in the Tampa area. The suspect, identified as 34-year-old Brandon J. Baker, had carried out an armed carjacking. He then went on to steal another box truck and launched into a reckless escape.
Wrong way, Archer Road. Wrong way, Archer Road traffic. 100 block. Reserve at Canapa. Back in the right lane of travel. Acceleration point. Right behind you. Anybody have any idea of locating? Can we fit a two-wheel drive or a two-wheel rear vehicle? What kind of vehicle is it again? Corey, where you at now? R393, R393. 75 Jeff, trying to get the 6 out in front of Master Coast. Northbound into the new Butler Plaza. Northbound 37 Boulevard.
He's really locked him in. That's the perfect opportunity in that plaza.
Alright, we're back on Archer Road. I am now the lead vehicle. Oh, signal 4 into a... We're about to come out at 34th Street.
Brandon J. Baker is facing a series of serious charges, including armed carjacking, violent theft, kidnapping, auto theft, along with multiple other offenses related to police chases and assaults on officers. Aggravated theft is considered one of the most dangerous offenses. The prison sentence can range from 5 to 20 years, along with additional penalties such as probation, restitution, or the revocation of civil rights. What sentence do you think he truly deserves? Leave your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss the next gripping case.